Just put down the order.
The hero. Yeah.
Remember to say, once I'm off hold, can you immediately please repeat my order?
Hello, AJ.
The hero.
Hello, AJ.
Okay, can I make the order, please? For the pickup?
Huh?
Can I make the order,
No?
please? No, today. I want to make it.
Okay, hold on, okay?
Okay, go.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Okay, can I make the order today for the pickup, please?
To who?
For the pickup, can I make the order?
You want to place order?
Mm-hmm.
Hello?
Hello, yeah, I want to make order today.
I don't know. I can't hear you clearly.
I want to
because
make...
something-
Okay, I want to make the order today. The
Can you call
order.
back?
No, the order. I want to make the order today.
You would like to place an order?
Mm-hmm, yes.
Okay, what is it?
The shit, I want the 2 orange chicken.
The what?
The 2 orange chicken.
2 orders of chicken, okay?
Orange chicken.
Shredded chicken.
Orange. No, not even that, you bitch. 2 orange.
Orange chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Orange chicken?
Yes.
We don't serve rice here. We serve noodles only.
Okay, okay. What do you have for the noodle? Do you have the titer ramen?
We only have the shredded chicken noodles.
Okay, I want that.
Okay, how many orders? 2?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Okay, with the rice noodles?
yeah.
Okay, come by. 10 minutes.
No, 10 minutes. Okay, wait. No, I have to put you on hold. Okay, I have another card. Can you repeat my order after I put you back on hold?
Okay.
Can you do that? Do it for me. Do it. Okay. Hello. The shit.
Hello?
No, just put it on hold.
415. Fuck that we just ordered.
I'm
585.
not gonna make it for you. How's your fucking phone?